If you need a replacement or a longer screw for a switch, an outlet, or an electrical box, in this video, I'll show you what size and length to buy at the home improvement or hardware store. It's Dave from Upgrade Your Home DIY, and you're probably as frustrated as I've been when a screw goes missing from an outlet or a switch. It was there before, and now it's gone. Or you're trying to put up a ceiling light fixture, and the screws aren't long enough. They're just not quite long enough. Or maybe tile just got installed, and now you can't attach the switch or the outlet to the box because it's now that much deeper. I've had all of these happen to me. So let's look at what particular type of screw you need and length so you can get the correct one when you go to the store. Let's start with that missing screw on an outlet or a switch. The screw that holds the device to the electrical box is a 6-32 screw. Here's what those numbers mean. The 6 refers to the thread diameter. A number 6 diameter is 0.138 inches. The 32 refers to the number of threads per inch, or TPI. Now, fortunately, all you need to do is look for that 6-32 screw size at the store. The head of the screw should be a pan head, which is often referred to as a round socket head or a machine screw. Look for those terms on the package. It usually uses a number 1 square head screwdriver, which is usually green in color and also referred to as a number 1 Robertson screwdriver. Now, the length of the screw that comes with a switch or an outlet is about 7/8 of an inch. So if you're just looking to replace it because you lost it, get a 1-inch screw and you'll be fine. Now, if it's a longer screw you need because it won't reach anymore, then maybe get an 1.5-inch screw and that should be fine. Now let's look at ceiling boxes or junction boxes. The screws that hold the fixture to the box are 8-32 screws. The 8 is a slightly larger diameter screw of 0.164 inches. The 32 threads per inch is the same as the previous screws. The screw head type is the same as the screws for outlets and switches. Unlike the device screws, it usually uses a number 2 square head screwdriver, which is usually red in color and also referred to as a number 2 Robertson screwdriver. Again, the standard length is about 7/8 of an inch. So if you just need to replace it, get a 1-inch screw. If you need something longer because that light fixture won't reach the ceiling box, then maybe get an 1.5 inch. Sometimes it's even longer depending on the design of the light fixture. The grounding screws at the back of a metal device or ceiling box are also 8-32 screws, and the length is 1/2 inch. The cable clamp screws are the next size up, 10-32 screws, and are usually about 7/8 of an inch long. Both of these screws have the same screw head style using a number 2 square screwdriver. Now, it's actually pretty rare that you need to replace this type of a screw in a typical electrical project at home. In my electrical pail, I carry a small package of each of the common type of screws I may need, the 6-32 and 8-32 screws. I carry 1.5-inch screws, just to give me the added flexibility if I need a longer screw. So there you go. If you're missing a screw in your DIY electrical project, now you know which one you need. If you need a longer screw, because of a specific situation you've run into, you know which screw to pick up and how long you're probably going to need to get it. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so other homeowners who want to tackle DIY electrical projects can find this video. If you enjoyed the information in this video, here are some other videos I think you'll find helpful. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I publish new videos. Thanks for watching.